Hey WordPress developers, say happy birthday to Elementor. Yes, this is Elementor's 8th birthday and Elementor is announced 8th birthday sales. As a web developer, we always rely on Elementor and millions of developers use Elementor to build a quick website with amazing designs. So on this sales, you can get the Elementor Pro on promotional prices. So let's dive into deeper on this sales informations. The sale will start at 28 May to 6 June. This birthday sales you will get up to 75% off. You can get the offers on a new purchase and on upgrades, on hosting with bundles and plugins. This is the comparison price on the sales, normal price, and this is the promotional price. So you can get up to 75% off on hosting light package, which is 143 normal price. You can get it at 35 USD only. So on plugins, those are the Elementor Pro plugins. Essential price, normal price at 59 USD. You can get it on 49 USD for one website. For three website, advanced plugin, you can get it on 89 USD. Expert package, you can get it on 149 USD. And the most popular agency package, you can create up to 1000 website using this license, agency license. You can avail this almost for $400 normal price on just 279 USD. So this offer will be valid for only on 6 June. Check the description link for avail the offer. Thank you for watching this quick video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get latest sales update on web development tools.